Good day to all. Good day sa inyong lahat. And yan, tuloy tayo sa ating pag-review. Tuloy-tuloy lang, no? Part by part. And topic by topic tayo, lecture for lecture para hindi kayo maboring, para hindi naman masyadong ma-retain naman sa ating mga isip. Nahabol natin yung pinakamalapit na board exam, no? Sa July 15 and 16 para naman hopefully yun, makatulong sa inyong mga pag-review, no? And sa mga future board exam naman, of course. Ventilation system. We proceed sa mga hindi pa po nakaka-subscribe, please subscribe to this channel. No? Click the subscribe button, yan. And click the notification bell button. No? Yung bell, hindi ko na makita dito. Nandito pala. Saan ba yung bell? Wala dito. Ito, may bell dito kasi. Nakikita niyo po yung bell na ganyan. Once i-click niyo yung all para updated po kayo sa mga video na ating ina-upload daily. Nagde-daily na po ako eh. And hopefully mag-twice a day tayo. No? Of course, yan. Please join to this channel to get access to membership perks. No? Mga pre-tutorials, pre-reviewer, pre-references, no? Mga e-books references. No? Yan. Please join. Pili na lang po kayo ng kanyang perks. No? Join to this channel. Okay, please subscribe to MCGI channel. The best principles in economics, MCGI channel. Uy, nagre-record ba? Parang hindi naman nagre-record. Wait lang. Ano nangyari? Okay, yan, tuloy tayo. Yan. For environmental planning board exam, please subscribe to greenfriendforever. Yung mga reviewer po dyan, and tuloy-tuloy yung kanyang pag-upload. Huwag natin siyang ma-reach yung 1,000 subscribers and ma-monetize, of course. Okay. Ayun tayo. Ventilation and ventilation system. Medyo marami ba to? Hindi naman siya marami. Hindi siya karami. Pero check ko muna. Parang record ba? Okay naman. Tingnan natin. Parang hindi kasi nagre-record eh. Nangyari. Well, makikita ko naman yan. Pag in-end ko. Okay? Nangyari. Screen nga natin. Full screen. Okay, nagre-record naman pala. In-ensure ko lang na nagre-record. Para hindi naman masayang yung laway natin. Okay, ventilation and ventilation system. The atmospheric pressure. The importance of atmospheric pressure can never be disassociated with ventilation system. Plays a very important role in achieving an efficient plumbing system. The Earth's atmosphere is a mixture of gases containing approximately 21% oxygen, 78% nitrogen, and 1% other gases, composed of carbon dioxide, argon, krypton, ozone, and others. The density of the atmosphere is approximately 1.29 times 10 to 6 to the 6 kilogram per cubic meter at standard temperature and pressure, or STP, no? Standard temperature and pressure. And a pressure of 14.72 psi on Earth's surface at sea level. Follows that the pressure increases proportionally with depth. Pressure below sea level increases and decreases above sea level. Yan, tatandaan natin yan, no? 14.72 psi, 1.29 times 10 to the 6 kilogram standard temperature, pressure, and more, no? Okay, the property of air, which is compressibility, directly affects the ventilation system. An increase or decrease in air pressure may cause sewage to be forced out of the pipes and fixture traps. Therefore, the need to equalize air pressure inside and outside the pipes is eminent balance atmospheric pressure is of utmost importance in ventilation system. However, positive and negative pressure are equally important. No? Wait lang. Baka narinig yung ano. Check pa natin. Okay, tuloy tayo. Scientific observation showed that gases in the plumbing system, when combined with other elements, will cause a reaction between gases and material and may result to material deterioration, a process known as oxidation. Okay, tuloy tayo. Trap seal loss. For commercial. Okay, bago tayo magpatuloy, no? Habang inayos tayo, no? For hotel bookings and reservation nationwide, Red Doors, Suns Hotels, and Affiliates, no? Just chat me in the messenger and call me in that number. Don't worry, that is, pwede kayo magpa-reserve and pay at the hotel, or I will send the link, no? Rest assured. Kayo po yung magbabayad. OTP niyo, then link from the Red Doors. Hindi po yan kung kani-kaninong link. Okay. Yan, habang tayo nagpapatuloy. Yan, trap seal loss. Traps are important devices in plumbing system and the use of which should not be neglected. Traps are devices used to prevent the passage of foul air, gases, and some kind of vermin or insects to a room through the fixtures. Trap seals must be maintained at all times to fulfill its purpose as part of the plumbing system. The loss of trap seal can be associated with a positive or negative pressure or any other factor. Causes of a trap seal loss. Number 1, siphonage, caused by negative gauge pressure that results in suctioning. Letter A, direct or self-siphonage, a result of removing the water from the trap that is caused by the discharge of fixture to which the trap is connected. Letter B, indirect or momentum siphonage, a result of a negative gauge pressure in the waste piping caused by discharge of water from a fixture installed on a line which serves as a fixture places at lower elevation. Back pressure, pressure within the sanitary drainage or vent piping system that is greater than atmospheric pressure. A positive gauge pressure greater than atmospheric pressure, positive. This pressure pushes out the water from the fixture. No? Pag when system is greater than atmospheric pressure, a pressure na greater than atmospheric, to back pressure yun. Ito naman, causes by negative pressure, siphonage. Okay, next. Capillary action. Results when foreign objects such as rugs, strings, or lint is stuck and suspended in a trap, or one end is on the inlet side and the other on the outlet side or the trap arm. The material is soaked up and slowly draining the water seal until the gases are able to pass through. Evaporation is a natural phenomenon wherein the water seal dries up as the liquid are turned into vapor due to many factors like temperature, wind speed, and atmospheric pressure. This is usually experienced by traps that are not frequently supplied by water. Sample given for fixtures that is not used for days. So, this can also be addressed by enlarging the part of the trap which contains the trap seal, provided that it is a self-cleaning trap. Kaya ganyan po yan, pinipicture ko yung mga, kinakapture ko lang, screenshot ko yung mga PDF files natin. Then, or yung book mismo, yung reviewer. Para mas mabilis kaysa encode ko pa. Okay. Number 5, wind effect. The high velocity wind passing over the top of the soil roof terminal affects the trap seal. Portion of this wind gets inside the pipe and tends to move and push out a quantity of the liquid content of the trap, giving occasions for some foul gases to pass through. This can be prevented by terminating the soil stock away from valleys, gables, or any abrupt roof projections where the wind may hit and be directed into or across the soil pipe roof terminal. Number 6, leak. Any trap that is fully fitted or joined may result to leaks of liquid waste and thereby losing its water seal. All fixtures and connections must be checked and tested to ensure water tightness of connections and joints. Okay, types of ventilation system. Tuloy-tuloy lang tayo. Pahinga muna konti. Paano ba ang ating gawin? Types of ventilation system. Vent, stock or main vent. Vertical vent pipe. Primarily for the purpose of providing circulation of air to or from any part of the drainage system. Stock vent, soil or and waste vent. The extension to the open air of a soil or waste stock above the highest horizontal branch or fixture connected to the stock. So, yan. Kung may vent stock, no, makikita nyo po yan pataas. Ito namang stock vent, nasa taas na siya. Pinakatok-tok na siya. No? Yung yan nga, the extension no, to the open air of soil or vent stock above the highest horizontal branch. Kung meron pa siyang, halimbawa, meron pang sa roof deck, meron pang CR dun. So, sa kadugtong nun, yan na, dyan na yung vent stock mag-start na. Individual back vent or revent, yan. Tinatawag siya, isa lang yung term niya. No? Synonymous yan. A vent installed in the pipe to vent a fixture trap connected to the vent system above the fixtures it served. Unit, common, dual, or duplex vent. An arrangement of venting so installed that one pipe will serve two traps. For the circuit vent, a branch vent which serves two or more traps and extend from in front of the last fixture connection of a horizontal branch to the vent stock. Circuit vent, the branch which serves two or more traps and extends from in front of the last fixture connection of a horizontal branch to the vent stock. Next one, loop vent or venting loop. A vent arrangement for a group of plumbing fixtures consists of a vent pipe which is connected to the waste or soil branch immediately before the fixture of the group. Loop vent or venting loop, a vent arrangement for a group of plumbing fixtures consists of a vent pipe which is connected to the waste or soil branch immediately before the fixture of the group. Loop vent, a type of ventilation system used on the fixtures in a room away from a wall or partition. Bakit ganun? So, siguro, no, mas ma-appreciate natin yung pinagkaiba nito. No? May ED lang. Tapos, ito naman loop vent. Okay, relief vent. Nandito rin siya. No? Relief vent pala yan. A branch from the vent stock connected to horizontal branch between the fixture branch and the soil or waste stock, whose primary function is to provide for circulation of air between the vent stock and the soil or waste stock. Naku, ano? Nakakalito yung mga yan, no? Relief vent, a bench, a branch of vent, a branch from the vent stock. Sa taas, no? Vent stock. Vent stock pala, vent stock, hindi stock vent. Sorry. Ayan, vent stock dito siya. Ito kasi stock vent. Branch from the bent stock connected to a horizontal branch bent between fixture branch and the soil or waste stock, whose primary function is to provide for circulation of air between the bent stock and the soil and or waste stock. Yoke bent, a pipe connecting upward from a soil or waste stock to a bent stock for the purpose of preventing pressure changes in the stock. Wet bent, a pipe usually oversized which functions both as fixture branch and as bent. It's a bent. Example, a bent waste pipe that serves as a bent. Combination waste and bent type of ventilation system which serves as bent as waste conductor. Dry bent, a bent which carries neither nor water waste. Dry lang siya, no? Neither nor water waste, no? Hindi siya nag-carry ng ano to? Ng waterborne waste, no? Waterborne waste. Crown bent, bent which is connected to at the crown. Crown bent, a bent which is connected at the crown. Blind bent, a bent pipe which terminates at the upper side of the fixture and does not connect to the drainage system with the intent of cheating. Fixture bent, a bent pipe which leads from the drainage pipe to another bent pipe or to the atmosphere. Branch bent, a bent excuse me, bent connecting one or more individual bends with a stock or stock bent. Side bend, a bend connecting to the drain pipe through a fitting at an angle not greater than 45 degree to the vertical. Okay, utility band. Bend which rises well above the highest water level of a fixture and that turns downward before it connects to the main bend or stock bend. Local bend or local ventilating pipe or bend. Pipe on the fixture side of the trap through which vapor or foul air is removed from the room or fixture. Ejector vent. Vent used to provide air in a sump pit and prevent pressure build up. Bypass vent. Vent stock which runs parallel to a soil stock or waste stock and is connected to it frequent intervals. And continuous bend, bend, vertical bend that is combination of drain, soil, or a waste pipe to which bend connects. So, yan. Siya nagtatapos. Uy, hindi pa pala tayo tapos. Meron pa pala. Nag-commercial na kasi tayo kanina. For hotel bookings and reservation nationwide, render Sans Hotels and affiliates, no? Chat me messenger, call me this number, no? Or comment in the video. Okay. Alternative design for engineering ventilation system. Okay, bago tayo magtuloy. Ito lang. Baka natin. Next topic. No, yan. Septic tank. All about the septic tank. Malamig kasi. Kaya natin na naman lalamunan. Okay. Sa mga gusto mag-avail, Master Plumber Reviewer, no, PDF files. 300 only. Plumbing Arithmetic, Q&A 18 sets. Sanitation and Plumbing Design Installation 4 sets. Plumbing Code 86 sets. Practical Problems 4 sets. And other lectures, no, na included in other lectures. No? Pwede naman kayong avail nyo yan, no? Please click the join member and choose yan, join. This join, no? Please click join and join to this channel, get access to membership perks, no? Depende po. Bahala na po kayong pumili. Meron tayong free reviewer ng Master Plumber, Material Engineer, meron pa rin Civil Engineer, meron ding Environmental Planning, meron ding Real Estate and mga structural program, software, yan, Excel files, then ano pa ba? Many more, no? Many more. Pili na lang po. Okay, alternative design engineering for ventilation system. Solvent system. A solvent single stack plumbing system is an engineered design drainage system developed to improve and simplify soil, waste, and vent plumbing in multi-storied buildings. It was invented on 1959 by Ferdz Nazario, head of the Department of Sanitary Installation, the vocational training school in Bern, Switzerland. Since 1961, and the first solvent was installed, hundreds of multi-story buildings constructed in Europe had utilized copper solvent. Cast iron hubless solvent, cast iron solvent were introduced in 1977 and gained widespread acceptance due to its lower material cost. Basic advantage of solvent is the elimination of separate vents for fixtures, as this simplifies the layout. The absence of vent lines and the reduced number of stacks minimize the cutting, drilling, and sleeving of walls and floors. The size of chases can be reduced, and there is great facility in the placement of other services and backbone. The four basic components of solvent system is PWB stack, the solvent aerator at each level, the horizontal fixture waste, the aerator fitting at the base with a pressure relief line. The two special items, the solvent aerator and the aerator fittings, are the basis of self-venting features of the system. Solvent aerator, it limits the velocity of both liquid and air in the stack. Prevents the cross sections of the stack from filling with a pit plug of water, and it efficiently mixes the waste flowing in the branches with the air and liquid already flowing in the stack. It's designed with an offset chamber to slow the soil and waste matter at each floor, never allowing it to reach its terminal velocity, thus eliminating back pressure. The aerator fitting separates the air in a stack flow from the fluid, ensuring smooth entry into the wheeling drain and relieving the positive pressure at the base of the stack. It is designed to eliminate any buildup of solids and slow the contents before the change in direction. The base of the stack pressure relief line eliminates any pressure buildup that might occur. This fitting is designed to assure a smooth drainage flow from the vertical stack into the horizontal drain. The loop in the pressure relief lines accommodates hydraulic jump that occurs at the base of the stack. The result is a single stack that is self-venting, balancing positive and negative pressures or the near the zero line throughout the system. As far as the branches are concerned, sizing and layout and choice of fittings must be in accordance with certain fundamental rules and guidelines that apply to the solvent system. Okay, yan, nagtatapos yung ating topic, ventilation and ventilation system. And our next lecture is the septic. Okay, thank you very much sa inyong pakikinig. And I hope makapasa po kayo sa board exam. Good luck. Thank you very much and have a great day. See you in the next session.